The ECOFLOW solar generator River 2 Pro is a high-capacity power station with a 768-watt-wire LiFePO4 battery and a 220-watt solar panel, perfect for home backup, outdoor activities, camping, and emergency situations. It boasts a unique, lightweight folding 220-watt bifacial solar panel, which generates up to 25% more solar energy than a single pane, allowing it to recharge in only 3.5 hours. With an AC output of up to 800 watts, it can power almost all household devices, and with the X-Boost mode, the output can be bumped up to 1600 watts without overloading. The River 2 Pro includes 11 outlets and ports, from AC outlets to USB-C, ensuring all your devices are covered. The solar generator power station is built to last, with an LiFePO4 battery that provides over 3,100% cycles, which means you can use it almost every day for 10 years. Despite its robust features and durability, the River 2 Pro remains lightweight and portable, weighing only 7.8 kilograms, making it an ideal outdoor generator for any off-grid adventure.